Hi, buddies. I told you the letter C also makes sound. It makes, can someone say, this is the little secret of letter C. It also, apart from K sound, it also makes a sound. But then we have what examples of this sound? We have city, we have cent, we have surreal. In case you are wondering the reason why they are making the sound, is because letter C, the name of letter C says C. C. That's the sound it is making. Are we together? So now, when do letter C makes sound in words? Whenever letter C comes, whenever letter C comes before letter E, letter I, or letter Y, they often make sound. So don't forget that. So whenever letter C comes before letter E, letter I, or letter Y, it often makes sound. So the two letters of letter C, we have what? We have K sound and the C sound. Do not forget that. Do not forget that. And please add your own to the comment section. I want to see your own examples in the comment section. Thank you, and don't forget to follow, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. I love you.